Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yo guys, yazi uSathane. Sisathi siyabancoma. We busy ngomaring them celebs on yesterday's episode ukuthi yazini nice family trip ukuthi uMacele akekho konke kuhamba kahle we kuphi because this dinner, the way things turned out so sour, you guys. You'd swear ukuthi this is not the same family that was just having such a nice time the previous day. But listen, Umayeni did say which when it comes to games, Bandla, that's the only thing she enjoys. But when it comes to serious things or other things, guys. But what I'm gonna say, guys, before I move on to Lendaba, Mangwabe and Umusa. When this episode started off, guys, I just don't wanna lie, I just feel like we need to give Umusa some sort of applaud for his manner of the way. And guys, I just feel like if I was Umusa in Musa's shoes, I probably would have divorced all those wives by now. I am sorry. But the way these women are just, I don't want to say that they're unappreciative, but I just kind of feel like sometimes, guys, hi man, just fake a smile. Their Umusa is going up and down nama SA home loans, trying to get loans or home loans for these wives. But all of them, he's just met with attitude. They've got attitude bank. What's the attitude for? Okay, yes, I get it, Ugutu Musa. The reason why he's even getting these houses was, it seems like it was his attempt to soften up his wives to get so that Bavume number 5. But I was just like, come on, guys. Do you know how tiring it is, guys? Which you can do so many things. Got to umuntu here's a hlinile umuntu can't even just say okay thank you or at least act excited. I'm just even saying with you, when you come to a trip, you see Utobile, guys. Utobile is the only one in this episode since this trip that I feel like she brought her A game, her attitude game when it comes to going on trips. Okay, you could see even when Umusa came into a room, she was so happy to see Umusa, guys. The conversation they had, fine, they had it maturely. The other wives, they just seemed so bored. Aye, guys, nah, man. Cut the man some slack. Just act as if, yes, Umangwabe, the house, because people are saying, Umangwabe, she's been saying she's leaving. Why is she taking the house? The house is for the kids, guys, because at the end of the day, there's kids. So whether she's leaving or not, it's for the kids. But still, at least show some sort of, happiness or nyana. Maybe I'm the one who doesn't get it or something like that. But anyway, Umangwabe now. And Umusa, the drama that they have. Umangwabe is busy with makeup, busy preparing herself, while Umusa is on her neck in a ingane. Busy shouting, Mangwabe and Domben, like what for? At first, when I watched the episode, or when I watched that first part of the episode where Umusa was busy calling her, I got it, ne? I was just like, God, to Nombela, why couldn't she prepare in time? Why couldn't she prepare in time? She was being dramatic. But then I thought, yeah, man, why was you only calling Unombela whereas that table was empty? Umayeni was not there yet. The other elder kids, Umpumelelo rather, was not there. So why was he making it such a big deal? Yeah? Unombela being Unombela comes out with one earring like to say, okay, fine, I'm here. But when Umayeni comes, which by the way, Umayeni comes later than Unombela, Umayeni she's not met with the same attitude. Umusa doesn't scold at Umayeni the way he was making noise at Unombela. So I was like, what was the big deal, gahle, if other people were not really there by the table? Now, I did kind of find it dramatic. Utumbali just got up, guys. Agavalelisanga. She just got up and she left. She left her kids there. And I'm just like, okay. But I don't know, guys. Maybe the producers edited something out because do you really think Umangwabe got up and didn't say anything jeganjalo? That time while Ulokuzana, when Unombela came out with her one earring, Umakumalo Shem uyazhlekela, she thinks it's a joke. She really didn't think it was that deep. But when she saw ukuthi yay ingathi she stopped laughing. Omunye ke ongibhorile usne. Usne ungenaphi, guys? ungenaphi. And you see the day that uNombela is going to respond to uSne, people will be like, no, we knew ukuthi uNombela ukhohlakele in uSne, like what where is she ngenaring? Why is she even commenting? Because the other day, was it not Sne who did the same thing as uMangwabe, got up from the table and just went to a room, engavalelisanga, didn't say anything. So where is she entering windaba zababakhe? No Khuzana, no Mangwabe. Has she not heard the things that Musa has been saying about Mangwabe for the past seasons? Yet she wants to come and say what's in Usne. I'm just like, just decide. Do you want to be an adult here or do you want to be a child? If utu ingane, please behave like ingane and stay out of your father and his wife's business. But anyway, guys, uNombela, shame. I kind of felt sorry for her. I don't know, guys, if Musa treated, because I mean uNombela has been saying which the way Musa treats her is not a good type of treatment, and I kind of feel like this episode kind of showed a little bit of that, because the double standards. Why didn't he shout at Umayeni? Do you understand what I'm saying? Why did you want uMangwabe? Why was you making it such a big fuss when other people were not there? So angazi ukuthi, is it because she's wife number 4? And maybe it's Tembin, when you're wife. I know Musa tries to make his wife seem equal, but hey, I don't see no equalness here. Maybe it's because feeling ati wamzama by marrying her nengane, so uMangwabe must be able to, to withstand many things, because wangena nengane wamselegu, or she got married while she had a child or something. Like, what is Musa's issue really when it comes to uNombela? I don't get it, you guys. Anyway, let's just park it there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.